In this SketchUp tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your 3D model to import it into other applications for rendering. You can export your SketchUp model into Blender, which is a free and open source 3D modeling program, and you can also import it into Maya as well. Once you're ready to export, make sure you've saved your model and cleaned up everything as much as possible. A good idea is to go to Window, Model Info, and click Purge Unused. This removes any other components or things that are no longer necessary for your model. Then, once your model is saved, go to File, Export 3D Model. There are a number of options that you can use. One recommended file option is a Collada file. Click on Options here, and then you don't want to triangulate the faces, so make sure that is unchecked, and you can check Preserve Component Hierarchies if you want to keep the instances. Then click OK and Export. Now we have a Collada file. We can also export an Fbx, which is another 3D modeling format. So go to File, Export 3D Model, then select Fbx. Click on Options, and the same thing. We don't want to triangulate the faces, and we don't want to export two-sided faces, but we do want to export texture maps. And then we can say OK and Export. So now we have an Fbx file as well.